Do you suffer from travel sickness? It's something that many people suffer from. In fact, according to the RAC, 1 in 5 people suffer from travel sickness. But what can we do to prevent it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some top tips. The first port of call with travel sickness is to ensure that you've picked the right seat. It's all about minimizing perceived motion, and the best way to do this is to sit in the front. As if you're sitting behind the driver, for example, and you're moving but you're looking at something stationary, this will trick your brain, giving you the effect of travel sickness. So to counteract this, if you can't sit in the front, well, try and sit in the middle. Something else to consider is what you're looking at. You need to look at something ahead of you, far in front, like the horizon line or a stationary object, as if you're looking out the window, this can enhance the travel sickness symptoms, so it's best to look straight ahead. No matter how hard you try to cure travel sickness though, one of the best remedies is just to be stationary. So remember to take a break on those long journeys, as many breaks as you need, and ultimately it will help you to get some fresh air too. On the topic of fresh air, remember to crack a window. Fresh air does wonders to help with travel sickness, so make sure you've got good ventilation. In some cases, it's best to envision that you're not moving at all, in which case I suggest closing your eyes to shut off any cues that you're moving. And in addition to this, I'd also start taking deep breaths to help control the travel sickness symptoms. Talking about closing your eyes and focusing on your breathing in order to distract yourself, you need to continue to distract yourself if those methods don't work. So try listening to music, chatting to friends and family whilst in the car, or playing a game amongst yourselves to help distract your thoughts away from those ill feelings. You also need to think about your food choices. Eating a heavy meal before setting off on a long journey probably isn't the best idea, so eat well in advance of any journey, and if you do feel peckish, only try and eat light snacks. You also need to think about putting down your phone or book. If you're reading a book and you're reading across the lines or scrolling up and down on your phone, this adds to the motion sickness. You need to focus on something stationary, so try to avoid these at all costs. If none of the tips in this video have worked, however, it's probably worth seeking medical advice. Talk to your doctor or go to a pharmacist to see if they can prescribe you some appropriate medication to help with your travel sickness. So then, I hope that you've really enjoyed this video and you'll take away some really useful tips. I'll make sure to leave a link down below in the description to our blog where you can find lots more useful tips and tricks, and I'll also leave a link so you can go and view our website so you can check out all of our current stock like this stunning Mercedes-Benz. Until then, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.